Yo people, welcome back to Ron's Tech Hub. I'm going to quickly show you guys how you can use this drone completely, entirely without a controller. So first off, the drone is on, and as you can see on the screen there, you might be able to see it, it says circle. To change the modes of the drone, you simply press these buttons here at the side. So there's a back button and there's a forward button, and they cycle through all the different options. So if I press the back one, it's going to change from circle. So listen out for it.
Rocket.
Now it says rocket.
Follow.
It says follow.
Self shot.
Selfie shot.
Droney.
Circle.
Rocket.
Rocket, and we're back to rocket again. So these are all the different options. To be able to change the settings of each one of these modes, so at the moment it's on follow, I'm going to long press that back button. When I long press it, it highlights high. So now when I press that button one more time,
Low angle.
it says low angle, flat,
High angle.
and we're back to high angle. I'm going to long press that same button again, and now it goes to where the drone is going to be following you from. At the moment it says RR, so rear.
Rear right.
Now it says rear right, right,
Front right.
front right,
Front.
front left, left, rear left,
Rear.
and back to rear again. So this is how you change the flying modes. What I'm going to do next is give you an idea of what each mode does, and again, this is completely without a controller. The mode you're looking at now is the follow mode on the DJI Neo 2. This was a very windy day, and I think this drone did amazingly well. It was flashing around in the air, but the video looks relatively smooth, and I think this is very much down to the 2-axis gimbal. Not only does it pan, but it tilts as well, meaning that it's able to physically counter whatever is happening in the window or on the drone. These 3 images are showing the selfie mode the drone has. So I set it to take 3 pictures. So essentially it backs away from you, takes 1 picture, backs away some more, takes another one, and backs away again to take another one. Pictures are a bit blown out, but to be fair, I didn't change any of the settings. If you did have the RC2 controller, that's the one with the screen, you would be able to make changes and edit these pictures exactly how you would want them taken. This option does droney. So similar to selfie shot, it backs away from you and it actually keeps recording the video for the entire time. I think I set mine to like 6 meters or 10 meters, so it wasn't too far away. Then it comes in as well. There was a family there that was really paying attention because it just looked really cool. The drone was flying by itself, and there's a second video, so the videos are separated. It backs out, that's one video, and it comes in, that's another video. This one here is probably the mode I love the best. So this and follow are my 2 favorite modes because this is going to give you that really good social media shot that most people do want. This is called circle, and it simply puts you in the middle and circles around you for the entire time. This final one is called rocket, where the drone simply goes as far up in the air as you set the value to be. So I think I set mine to 10 meters, divides the video into 2 pieces. So it goes up, records 1 video, and when it gets to the 10 meters, it comes back down and records a second video. So this video is again split into 2 separate sections. Hopefully that gave everyone a sense of what the drone will output based on what you give it. So based on the inputs you give it, we had, I think, 4 or 5 modes. We had droney, circle, selfie shot, rocket, and the one you're seeing on screen now is follow. This is by far, I would say, my favorite one, because imagine you're hiking through somewhere, you're having a nice long walk. This drone will follow you for the entire time. You could also connect the DJI mic to your mobile phone, and whatever audio you're trying to capture, you can capture it to your mobile phone and then overlay it onto the video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, but a lot more drone content incoming.